Hi, I am Revathi. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today we will discuss about data abstraction. Data abstraction is the process of hiding the complexity of the data in the database from the users. Physical level or internal level. This is the lowest level of abstraction. This level describes how a record is stored. Logical level. This level of abstraction describes the type of stored data and the relationship among the data. Example, type instructor equal to record, id equal to string, name string, department name string, salary integer, end. How the table is stored in the database. It is stored in a table format. View level. This is the highest level of abstraction. This describes only the part of the entire database. It allows the user to access only the part of the database. View level abstraction. Application programs hide the details of the data types. Views can also hide information such as employee salary for security purposes. Schema. The overall design of a database is called the database schema. A database schema is like type definition in programming languages. Physical schema or internal level schema. The internal level has an internal schema which describes the physical storage structure of the database. The internal schema uses a physical data model and describes the complete details of data storage and access paths for the database. Example, employee table is stored in the Windows operating system. Conceptual level or conceptual schema. This level describes the whole structure of the whole database for users. It hides the details of physical storage structure and concentrates on entities, data type, relationship, user operations and constraints. Employee table, employee number and then data type only described. Employee number integer, employee name string, salary string, department number integer, post string. Employee number, employee name, salary, department number, post or column names, integer, string, integer, string or data types, integer of 4, string of 15, string of 8, integer 4, string 15. It measures the size of the data type. External level or external schema. This level contains number of external schema or user views. Each view describes the part of the database that a particular user group is using and hiding the rest of the database from that group. A high-level data model can be used at this level. In this level, employee number, employee name, employee salary, department number, post, column names only displayed. Can view only column names. Instances. The actual content of the database at a particular point in time is called instance. Database schema defines the variable declarations in table that belongs to a particular database. The value of these variables at a moment of time is called instance of that database. For example, in this student table, rows are called instances. Let's say we have a single table student in the database. Student table has 5 records. So today the instance of the database has 5 records. Data independence. The modification of schema definition in one level without affecting the next higher level definition is called data independence. There are two types of data independence: physical data independence, logical data independence. Logical data independence. This is the ability to modify logical schema without modifying the application programs. This modification takes place frequently depending on the current need. We may change the conceptual schema to expand the database, to change constraints, or to reduce the database. Example, if there is a database of a banking system and we want to add the details of a new customer, or we want to update or delete the data of a customer, at the logical level data will be changed, but it will not affect the physical level or structure of the database. These changes can be done at a logical level without affecting the application program or external layer, adding, deleting or modifying the entity or relationship, merging or breaking the record present in the database. Physical level data independence. Physical level data independence can be defined as the ability to change the physical level without affecting the logical or conceptual level. Physical data independence gives us the freedom to modify the storage devices, file structure, location of the database, etc. without changing the definition of conceptual or view level. For example, if we take the database of the banking system and we want to scale up the database by changing the storage size and also want to change the file structure, we can do it without affecting any functionality of logical schema. Changing the storage structure like storage devices like SSD, hard disk and magnetic tapes, etc. Changing the access techniques and modifying indexes. Thank you.